Toyota Rav4 seatbelt replacement. Maybe your seatbelt retractor is no longer working, or your dog decided to chew through the seatbelt like this. Customer's dog did. It's time to replace the seatbelt. Here's how you do it. First step, take all the crap out of the back. Then remove the 4 screws. 2 on this side, 2 on this side. Then remove it. So this tray comes out so you can get to the rest of the car. This side panel has to come off. There's a screw here, a bolt here, and another screw hiding inside this little hidden cover there. Remove that with a 14mm. The other 2 are 10mm. Next, with a pry tool, remove the plastic cover for your wiring next to your kick plate. There, that's out. Then you want to remove this plastic piece where the seatbelt retractor lives inside. Alright, after you remove all the plastic paneling like that and make it look like this, you'll see where the seatbelt retractor is. Right there. That's what it looks like. It's attached here and down here. Right there. A real convenient spot to get to. This seat doesn't slide, so you're going to have to use an open-end wrench on this 2018 Rav4. Alright, there's a 14mm bolt right there. Once that's off down here, you can move up to here and take this part off, or you can remove this retractor here with a 15. Or not. Alright, let's try that again. Alright. Takes that off there. And then go ahead and remove the 10mm here. There you go. Yeah, I know this video sucks. It's horrible. Anyway, there it is. And you just remove this part, and then that's just a 15 or 14. Yeah, I can do that real quick. That comes out like that. Save your bolts, and then get your new retractor, and this assembly is ready to go into the car. Brand new. Well, not brand new, but it'll work. Alright, hopefully that was helpful. Yeah, I didn't just put everything back together. Yeah, easy. Make it look like this side.